Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Special thanks to our video viewers who have grown with us. Please join the community, subscribe now and stay updated. Pace Chase helps multi-sport athletes visualize pacing impact on performance by Ellen Smith, released on 17 January 2025 Lifestyle. Pace Chase is an app that is designed for multi-sport athletes including runners, cyclists, swimmers, rowers, gym girls and triathletes. This is a tool that helps athletes visualize how their pacing during training or events impacts their performance, speed, power, and overall finish time. By tracking and analyzing various metrics, Pace Chase enables users to make data driven adjustments to improve their training efficiency and race strategy. The app's colorful interface provides clear, actionable insights that allows athletes to understand how pacing changes affect their outcomes across different reports. For athletes aiming to enhance their performance, Pace Chase offers a user-friendly approach to pacing analysis, ensuring that athletes can optimize their training plans and improve results in competitive events. Image credit Pace Chase. Trend themes number one: multi-sport data integration. With increasing demand for sport data analytics, the integration of diverse sport-specific metrics into a unified platform presents groundbreaking opportunities for enhanced athlete performance. Number second, personalized athlete coaching. The ability to customize training programs based on individual pacing analysis marks a significant shift towards personalized athletic coaching, offering athletes tailored strategies to reach peak performance. Number third, visual performance tracking. Innovative visualization tools that map athlete progress in real time allow athletes to comprehend pacing impact, ensuring an immersive and informative user experience. Industry implications number one, fitness technology. The fitness technology industry is being revolutionized by apps like PaceJays, which combine sophisticated data analysis with interactive interfaces to enhance training efficiency. Number second, sports analytics. As sports analytics gain prominence, platforms that utilize detailed pacing breakdowns are leading the way in transforming how athletes evaluate and adjust their performance strategies. Number third, wearable technology. The emergence of comprehensive pacing apps complements wearable technology, providing a seamless integration of real time data gathering with in depth performance analytics. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.